Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back. I am so excited. We got back from PourCon a couple of days ago, and I had such a wonderful time with everybody who was there. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to Fluid Art Co. and Billy and Shelly and Lanny and everybody who was there. You guys were amazing. And of course, our amazing ground crew was working round the clock to help us out. So thanks for being there. We really appreciate you. While I was there, I got to take a class with my wonderful sister, Sarah Mack, in one of her galaxy pours, and it was so awesome to watch her pour in person. So I'm going to try to kind of do a galaxy pour tonight. We'll see how it goes. Let me show you my colors in a minute. This is a 20 by 20 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. Okay, I have taped and pinned the back, and I've painted my sides and edges with one of my colors. Let me show you those colors because they're very pretty. This is a pearl turquoise that I created using some Aquamarine from Folk Art Treasure Gold and a little bit of turquoise blue from Liquitex. This one is a combination of two of the Amsterdam Pearls, the green and the blue. So it's kind of a pearl turquoise color. I'm hoping I can see a little bit of a shift on it. It's really pretty. I also have pearl yellow from Amsterdam Pearl series. And I have some 24 karat gold right here, which is beautiful and luscious and sparkly and amazing. I have some Amsterdam, do you remember if this one was, I think it's light turquoise green. Very, very pretty color. I love this one. And this is phthalo blue from Golden. So we're going to layer our cup. I don't have a white, but I do have two pearls, so I'm hoping this is going to work. Let's start with a little bit of the pearl yellow in the bottom of the cup, and I do mean just a little bit. That's it. Tiny bit. A little bit of gold. Now, one of the things that Sarah had said was don't make your layers super, super tiny because then you'll end up with a lot of blending and not distinct definition. So those two, because they're going to be in the very center, are smaller layers. Now we're going to kind of work out in sort of a gradient. A little bit of that light turquoise green. Let's go with phthalo now. I'm going to put some of that pearl turquoise in there. And some of this pearl turquoise. Do I like turquoise, do you think? I think I do.
Yeah.
Some gold. Let's go back to that phthalo blue. Put some more pearl yellow in there. A light turquoise green. And pearl turquoise. And phthalo blue again. Something pearly turquoise color. And a bigger amount. And a little bit more gold. Okay. That's probably more than enough. So I don't have a white base coat, which is what I wanted, so I'm probably going to use some of these colors as my base coat colors. Okay, I'll leave those two out. Okay, so this is ready. We're going to pour a puddle of gold in the center first. And then I'm going to pour this pearl turquoise that we made on top of that. The purpose of this is to just give our paint something to slide on nice and easy. And I put the gold underneath because I would like to have little gold cells popping up. So we're going to pour this from into the middle. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, ma'am.
Here I go, Sarah. Wish me luck. Here we go.
Nice dismount.
Piece of hair on there. Okay, I'm going to take one of my Mack sticks. I'm just going to fix, actually, you know what, yeah. I'm just going to give this a little swirl in the center. Just like that. Okay. That's actually looking really pretty. Alright, I'm going to go around this with some more of this pearl turquoise color. Put some on my edges and corners. I'm going to use some of my other pearl now. It's more of a flow extender. Okay. Spread that out real quick. Now the consistency for this is kind of thicker. Not very, very thick though. Not as thick as I would do for a ring pour, but it's not thin, that's for sure. This is my Golden's Gel Gloss and American Floetrol as the pouring medium. And that's about a 3-to-1 or a 4-to-1 ratio depending on what kind of paint you're using. Okay. That's looking pretty good. Let's give this a quick torch. I just want to take a second to encourage you guys to come to these events. If you see one is being advertised near you when we do them again, please come, because they're so much fun. It's amazing to meet your fellow pourers, you know, and to meet the instructors and to meet the people behind the scenes. It's so inspiring. We met Kellen Shaw, we met Simon Bull was really amazing. Josie Lewis was there. It was so nice to see these people in an atmosphere. At one point we were sitting in the ballroom and there were 350 people in there, and it was just this amazing energy because everybody's so excited to be there. It was wonderful. So if you get a chance to go, please do go because you won't regret it. Lots of fun. Okay, let's tilt this out. This is really pretty. I'm loving all these little fingerlings in here. Okay, so we're gonna find the way to the paint. And we're going to move it down towards one corner first. Nice and easy. It's rolling good. Not rolling over itself. Maybe just the tiniest bit. But there's a lot of flow extender. We're not going to go off the corner yet. We're going to bring this back to center now. And we're going to go down towards the other corner. We're not going to take any paint off yet. And back towards the center. Look at these cool lines up here each way. Now we're going to go towards this corner. And back towards the center. Now we're going to stop, bring this back to the middle again. We're going to stop and take a look at it quick. What do we like? What do we not like as much? I love this. That's so pretty. And this right in here, gorgeous. These lines and fingerlings are amazing. I'm not completely crazy about this part, but it'll probably turn out really pretty. Okay, we're going to go off of that corner
Looks
first.
like a Grateful Dead sunset.
I'm not liking that sort of blobby bit right there. Okay, that's better. It's your painting. You can do whatever you want to it. Okay, we're going to go off this bottom edge now. With the intention of going off the corner. And do the same thing, come back to the center. Go off the bottom edge. center again. To the center again. And take it down off that bottom bar. There's some really cool stuff happening in here. The only thing I'm not liking is the very, very, very middle. Yeah. Let's see if we can't fix that with a tiny, tiny, tiny rain pour. I'm not going to worry about stretching that out because we have already tilted all our colors. I don't know, do we like that?
Mm-hmm.
I love all these lines in here. And these boulder cells with the gold. And these lines are amazing. This is going to be really pretty, I think. Let's take it down a little bit. Okay. I think we're going to leave that just like that. Get this corner covered. Okay. All right. So that's looking pretty awesome. Lots of gold. But it's pretty, I like it. So I'll show you guys this one when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. I love you guys a lot. We'll be right back. So I wanted to show you the dried results of the antique bird bath. This was the metallic heat pour with negative space where we used the antique copper as the base coat color. I just wanted to show you guys in the sun this beautiful color. Very, very coppery. Not as purpley when it's dry, but still really, really pretty. Very interesting effect. I hope you guys can see like these speckles in the base coat. That's what HOA was talking about in the video itself. I think that's just from a lot of Floetrol in the base coat, but it's kind of a neat effect. So I might try that with my next one with not as much Floetrol in the base coat, maybe more water and more pouring medium and not as much Floetrol to kind of avoid that. So this one turned out pretty cool. I do like this. I see a little bird right there, and all of these yeets kind of remind me of water splashing around, which is how we came up with antique bird bath. So this one turned out pretty cool. Let me go get the other one from today. I'll show you that one. Okay, so here is my Mack inspired galaxy-ish sort of pour. It did get a few more cells on it as it was drying, these pretty gold ones up in here. But these colors are pretty. There's that gorgeous light turquoise green from Amsterdam. There is a lot of pearl yellow in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, that light gold sort of shimmer in the middle there. These lines came out so pretty. Really, really pretty. Kind of MC Escher-ish. I love this corner with these lines in here. Is just gorgeous. Some more speckly cells down in here. A couple bolder cells. More of those beautiful lines in here. Pretty stuff. This one was fun. Thank you so much, Sarah, for an awesome class and letting me sit in and watch you pour. That was fantastic, and I always enjoy being around you and seeing you pour. So thank you for letting me be part of that one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really had a lot of fun with this, and it was awesome. So thank you so much for being here with us today. Please check out the rest of our premiere train. We have Feral Art with Kelly Stoll. We have Nate Bright Art. And I believe Anuka is joining us today too. So we'll see you real soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.